Okay, dear student, let's see what is there in this question. A sphere of density rho and the radius capital R rests on the bottom of a tank of water. The buoyancy force on the sphere is F1. Okay, so the buoyant force is F1. The sphere of the density twice of rho and the radius R by 2 is at the bottom of the same tank. The buoyancy force on the second sphere is F2. What is F1 divided by F2? Okay, so first of all, we have to be very clear about this thing, that let's say there is this water. The water's density is sigma, and this is the bottom. There is a sphere here which is having the radius R, and it is placed like this. So this sphere R is having the density rho. So first of all, as per the buoyant force is concerned, what is the expression for the buoyant force? The buoyant force is the volume of the body which is inside water into the density of water into the gravity. So it is not the density of body. So density of body doesn't matter. So this density of body which is written here, sigma rho and 2 rho, this actually sits here only for the confusion purpose. So according to my experience, IB usually don't do these kind of things, but this is a very tricky question. So they have given you an information which is not required in the question, which is an extra information. So B is equal to V in into sigma into G. Sigma is taken as the density of the water. I'm just taking this symbol sigma. You can choose any other symbol, by the way, no worries. This is the buoyant force. So now both of the bodies are now completely submerged. They are completely dipped. So 100% of their volume is dipped inside. So it is the total volume here. So the first buoyant force is given as F1. The volume will be 4 by 3 pi R cube sigma into G. And what about the F2? F2 will be 4 by 3 pi is just a constant. Now 4 by 3 pi R cube, the volume of sphere is given in your data booklet, by the way. So you can just take that formula from there. And the radius is R by 2. So you substitute R by 2 here, it becomes R cube divided by 8. That is 2 raised to power 3. And sigma remains sigma, G remains G. You just need to find the ratio of these two. So I can clearly see F1 divided by F2 will be equal to 8 because every other thing is the same. So you can even divide it on both sides. So it will become the reciprocal. Every other constant is getting cancelled out. Or you can say that you are going to substitute this much value as F1. So this becomes F1 divided by 8. So clearly F1 divided by F2 will be equal to 8. So either way, like that is just your algebraic sense, like what you are going to do here. So F1 divided by F2 will be equal to 8. And this is how we do this question. So very good. The buoyant force has been explicitly added into the new syllabus. So there you are. You can find the question here in the latest question paper. Okay, dear students, this is Professor Moon. Thanks for watching. All the best. Keep watching other videos.